Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop.
Hey gang, Puppy here, and you see, no cerveza, no trabajo. I'm not going to stand up to show you no trabajo because my back hurts. About the video I posted the other day saying Poppy likes Strange New Worlds. Well, Poppy's watched it twice, almost 3 times more since then. Yeah, Poppy likes it even more each time he watches it. Yeah, this is the Star Trek we should have had in 1966. Yeah. Okay, now, if that's done, a product review. About 12 years ago, my mom arbitrarily gave me an L Blu-ray burner, an external model, the HL-DT-ST BDE-RE BE14NU40 1-01. Burn anything from CD, any flavor CD, any flavor DVD, all kinds of flavors of Blu-ray and M-Disc. Well, last week, all 4 computers in the computer room started saying, "Don't recognize it." Well, the wife bought it 12 years ago, and it was factory refurbished. And finally, factory refurbished snuck up and bit me in the butt, so I ordered that. Okay. Um, I said, well, I need to burn Blu-ray again, right? And I said, this is a Blu-ray burner. And when I installed the software that came with it, there's a firmware update that wouldn't support Blu-ray discs. I removed that. Okay. And on top of that, the one I was supposed to replace started playing nice with the other equipment in the computer room again. So, do a Blu-ray burner. Or I could set it up for 1 burn, 1 play. Anyway, $42 with shipping and tax from Walmart. Beats the hell out of the $120 for the one it was supposed to replace, as it is new, and that one was refurbed. You know, I scrubbed the blood off the outside of it, put it in new packaging, and that's factory refurbished. Oh, no, I don't have a dark opinion of business. That's my opinion of business under a bright light. Anyway, I'm burning Blu-ray again because I burned off, last night I burned off 24 gigs of Poppy's workshop waiting for burn off. I'm looking at, yeah, you know I'm playing in the monitor. Anyway, I burned off 24 gigs of Poppy's workshop waiting to be burned off. I finally got enough to fill up a Blu-ray disc. I've been using these. There we go. That's as good as it gets. I've been using these because what the technical data with these comes with them says, I can't afford that kind of disc, so I tried the Kodak. Works for my purposes. Stuff burns to it. Doesn't fly away like ash. So, works for me. Better Call Saul. 2 more episodes. Monday and the next Monday before the mid-season finale. You know what that means. Anywhere from 2 weeks to 2 years, and we'll get the next last installment. But my guess is people going to die in the next 2 weeks. Lots of people. Lalo. Oh yeah, Lalo going to die. And after Jimmy and Kim are done with them, Howard may want to cap himself. Yeah. Then again, he could, Howard could run afoul of one of Saul Goodman's clients. Yeah, it's an expensive murder trial. I'll tell you what. Here's the guy's picture. His name is Howard Hamlin. Make it look like a random street crime or an accident, okay? And you're on the clock. Could be. Anyway, I'm going to go for now. Good night from California. If I use the proper rodent